Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the BRINBO Pleco Pro cordless robotic pool cleaner. I researched this pool robot across the internet to see what it offers, and if you want a hands-off way to keep your pool clean, this model is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest highlights is its cordless design. There are no long power cables dragging through the pool, so you can simply charge the robot, place it in the water, and let it work. The rechargeable battery provides up to 240 minutes of runtime, which is 4 hours on a full charge. That gives it enough endurance to handle larger in-ground pools in a single cleaning session. The Pleco Pro also brings smartphone control to your pool maintenance. Through its dedicated app, you can customize cleaning cycles, start an immediate cleaning session, or schedule maintenance for later. This is especially useful if you want the pool cleaned before swimming or prefer to set a regular weekly schedule without manually operating the robot every time. Another major advantage is wall climbing. Strong suction allows the cleaner to move vertically along pool walls and work around the waterline, where dirt, mineral buildup, oily residue, and other grime can accumulate. Instead of getting out the pool brush yourself, the robot is designed to handle much of that scrubbing automatically. Navigation is another area where the Pleco Pro stands out. Its smart route system is designed to create efficient cleaning paths, avoid repeatedly covering the same areas, and reach difficult corners. The goal is more complete coverage with less random movement, so you can leave the robot working without constantly checking or repositioning it. The filtration system is also designed for larger cleaning jobs. You get a 6-liter dual-layer filter basket capable of collecting larger debris like leaves while also trapping finer particles such as sand and small waste. The large capacity means you shouldn't need to empty it as frequently, which makes routine maintenance easier. Of course, there are a few things to consider. The advertised 240-minute runtime is a maximum figure, so actual battery life can vary depending on the pool surface, cleaning mode, debris level, and how much wall climbing the robot performs. And because this is a relatively feature-packed cordless cleaner, you'll want to keep the battery properly charged and maintain the filters to get the best performance. Still, the combination of cordless operation, app control, smart navigation, wall climbing, a large filter basket, and 4 hours of claimed runtime makes the Pleco Pro appealing for larger in-ground pools. After researching its features, my recommendation is to buy it if you want a convenient cordless pool robot that can clean both the floor and walls while requiring minimal supervision. If you have a smaller pool or only need basic floor cleaning, you could save money with a simpler cleaner. But for homeowners who want long runtime, smart controls, and more complete automated coverage, the BRINBO Pleco Pro is worth considering.